Question 1 just asks us to sort these things out into the powers, so we'll take them each in turn. This is sort of a to the 1 here, and then square root, of course, is a to the power of a half. We're timesing these two together, so altogether we've got 1 1/2, and I'm going to write 1 1/2 as 3 over 2. Here I've got a to the 5, and another a to the power of a half. Altogether I've got 5 1/2, or 11 over 2 as my power. This time we're going to do a divide here, so we've got a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of a half. This time we're going down. 3 take away a half, 2 1/2, and we'll write that as 5 over 2, 2 1/2. Same idea here, but the other way around. A to the power of a half for the square root, a to the power of 3 on the bottom, and we're taking away. So a half take away 3 is minus 2 1/2, or minus 5 over 2. This is, we've got a to the half all to the power of 6, and we can just simply use the rule that you times the powers together there. You've got a to the power of 3. If you want more of that, it's a to the half times a to the half times a to the half 6 times, and of course 6 halves are all going to add up to 3. Same rule here, just times these two things together, so we're doing 5 lots of 2/3. And of course 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 10/3. Last one here, we've got a times by, and this could be rewritten as a to the power of minus 1. Adding the powers there gives a to the power of 0, and anything to the power of 0 is always 1. The other way of doing that would be to say we've got, on the top we've got a times 1, which is a. On the bottom we've got a divided by a gives 1. And the last one we're going to do, first of all let's work out the top, let's add those powers together. 2/3 add minus a quarter, or 2/3 take away a quarter. I mean, it is quarter, you could use a calculator to do it, but change it into twelfths. We've got 8/12, take away 5, take away 3/12, so the top we've got a to the power of 5/12. And we're dividing by a to the power of 3/4, so we're doing take away again, let's put 3/4 into twelfths again, that's 9/12. Take them away gives us a to the power of minus 4/12, or a to the minus 1/4.